outstanding issues of which African leaders have promised to fast track. And some of these outstanding issues, even Simon has raised them. Sir, in your opinion, as a trade policy expert observing the negotiation on AfCFTA, what is your view? What do you view as the main issues and that still need to be resolved and concluded? And what would be your advice to policymakers on how to resolve these outstanding issues? Dr. Alaba, you have the floor now.
In the phase one of the negotiation, we have quite a couple of them, which we need to resolve in order to move forward and be able to concretely trade by January 2021, as we said. Yeah, one of those issues is the schedule of commitment in terms of tariff liberalization. In my view, I don't think any of our countries has really moved forward in actually being able to come up and present their schedule of liberalization. So this is outstanding, and I think this is no rocket science, because each of our countries belongs to one regional integration arrangement or the other, where, you know, if you have your trade liberalization scheme and your CETA, you must have had some sense of what your commitment will be. Because I think the best route to go, which I think is a route that the AU might want to go, is to actually establish negotiation of commitments among the regional integration arrangements. For instance, you have liberalization scheme in ECOWAS, and you have the CETA for the third countries, which means you have a background already. So in my view, the goods from special economic zone should not be treated the same as goods from the regular production zone. That's my thinking. Also, we are talking about issue of job losses within the region. I don't think if we actually implement these agreements in a proper manner, which, you know, advanced regional integration arrangement, you know, goes through, I don't think the issue of job losses will be a significant issue, because the issue of free movement will guarantee that you can actually produce from any part of the region, and you may call it goods of Africa. It makes provisions for movement of labor. In modern economic theory, there is a room for mobility of labor.